Missing data is one of the most common challenges in any dataset. Whether you're analyzing survey responses or sales records, chances are some values are just missing. Today, you'll learn how to detect and clean missing data efficiently using Python and Pandas. Let's start by importing Pandas and loading a dataset. Import Pandas as pddf equals pd.read/yourfile.csv. To check for missing data, use def.isNull.sum. This tells you how many missing values exist in each column. You can also get a quick percentage of missing data. F is null mean. 100. This is helpful when deciding whether a column is too incomplete to be useful. Now let's talk about how to handle that missing data. Option 1. Drop it. You can remove rows with missing values using df-clean equal df-drop-na, or remove columns that are mostly empty, df-clean df-drop-na axis. Be careful. This is fast, but you might lose valuable data if overused. Option 2. Fill it. A common technique is filling missing values with a default, like zeroed column name, fillna, 0, in place, true, or use the mean, median, or mode of the column, f column name. Fillna f column name, mean, in place, true. This helps maintain your dataset structure while minimizing data loss. If you're working with categorical data, you can fill missing values with the most frequent category f category column. Fillna def category column, mode, do, in place, true. Lastly, for more advanced control, you can use conditional filling, like filling based on a group. Def, value, exe, def, group by, category, value. Transform, lambda x, fillna, x, mean. This fills missing values using groupwise logic, which is super useful for segmented data. If you're working with time series, forward fill or backward fill methods can help. f.fillna method, bfill, in place, true. def.fillna method, bfill, in place, true. Missing data doesn't have to stop your analysis. When you know how to handle it, you can turn messy data into clean, usable insight. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment about your go-to cleaning method, and share it with someone diving into data wrangling and cleaning. Want to get really confident with messy datasets? Explore Transform Academy's hands-on courses focused on data wrangling and cleaning. You'll learn practical skills that help you clean, transform, and organize real-world data step by step. The link is in the description. Check it out and start mastering the mess.